Good morning, Wheatley Wildcat. Today is Monday, September 10, 2012. Let's have a great day today. Please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Please remain standing for Wheatley's motto.
I am somebody. The me I see is the me I'll be. I can be respectful, responsible, and resourceful. I can succeed.
Today's weather forecast is a high of 79 degrees and mostly clear. Happy WPWE would like to wish a happy birthday to Amaya. Happy birthday. And here's Miss Gregory with the core content.
Good morning, Wheatley Wildcats. Our reading vocabulary for today is the word descriptions. When it asks you to describe something or to give descriptions, it means using words, figures, or pictures to develop mental pictures. So what that means is that you want to use enough words, figures, drawings, or pictures to make the reader, whoever is reading your story or reading your answer, to have a picture in their mind of what you're talking about. So that's what it means when it says to use descriptions to do something. Our math vocabulary for today is prisms. Now there's a really fancy and then there's the pictures down here that we'll look at. So the fancy definition is a polyhedron with two parallel faces called bases, such that when you take a cross section, it is the same way along its length. The other faces are always parallelograms, and it's named by the shape of its base. So basically, a prism you'll see is like a 3D object, and they're always named by whatever shape their base is. So this is called a cube. This is called a rectangular prism because the base is a rectangle. And if you notice here, the base here is a triangle, so we call that a triangular prism. And then it's the same thing with the pentagonal prism, and then we have a octagonal prism there too. So, whenever you see a prism, it's a shape that looks like a 3D shape, but remember that it's always named by its base, whatever that shape is. And now for the words of wisdom. Good morning, Wheatley Elementary. This is Mrs. Gregory with a few words of wisdom. Here is an important question, so listen up. How do you like to be treated? Do you like to be treated with kindness? Do you like it when someone smiles at you or gives you a big hug or listens carefully to what you have to say? Most of you would give a big yes to all of these. Now ask yourself these questions. How do I treat others? Do I treat others with kindness? Do I treat others with respect? Am I generous with my smiles? Do I listen to others when they speak? Former President John F. Kennedy once said, "Every American ought to have the right to be treated as he would wish to be treated." Today, remember the golden rule and treat others only as you would want to be treated. With something to think about, this is Mrs. Gregory. Make it a great day or not. The choice is yours. And remember, boys and girls, that the difference between a good day and a bad day are the choices that you make. Have a great day, Wheatley Elementary.